In this video, I am going to show you how to block contacts in your Android phone. Now the first thing you have to do is just open up your phone app. After that, just tap on contacts option. Now from here, just find the contact that you want to block. Suppose if you want to block this contact, just tap here, then tap on this info icon. Now from here, just tap on more. That's it. Here you can see block contact option, just tap here, then tap on block again to confirm it. And it's complete. Now the contact has been blocked successfully. Here you can see a block icon. Now if you want to unblock this contact, just go back, then tap on recent option, then tap on three dots, then go to settings. From here just go to block numbers, and that's it. Here you can find your all the blocked number or contacts. If you want to unblock this contact, just tap on this minus icon and it's unblocked successfully. And that is how you can block contact in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.